All right, so I'm here at AI, and what I'm trying to do today is get this laptop working. This is the Diesel laptop, and it's made by, Diesel laptops. You can see that right there. They're a good company with lots of diagnostic stuff, and they're very supportive of schools. So we got this new computer from them because the old one wasn't accepting updates. And what this computer does is it connects to something that they call a TEXA unit, which is right here. The TEXA unit is then connected to the data link cable that has your data link diagnostic plug in it. So one of the things that I got to do is I got to call them and have them pair this TEXA unit up with this computer. And I'm pretty sure that when I do that, they're going to want the TEXA unit powered up. And you can see right here on the TEXA unit that there is a spot for an external power source. I am missing that cable, so that's the reason why we hear this annoying sound in the background, is because I'm using this training aid right here to supply power through the diagnostic port to power up the TEXA. As soon as this thing is up and running, I need to use it to figure out why this thing is making the annoying noise, get a fault code and a repair for it. So I don't know much about this training aid, so I'm going to learn about it once I get this working. So we're going to call them and get this started, and then hopefully later on today I'll be able to show you how we're going to use this to fix this training aid right here. So more to come.